Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to change system language on the following device. So first thing you have to do is simply open the settings, then let's scroll down and find language and region, and here we can change the region, for example for Bangladesh. Let's get back and let's enter the language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages on this device. And let's pick something, for example, maybe French. If you are ready and if you are sure that you want to change the language, simply click on Done. Change to French. If you have the password, you will have to draw it. Okay, let's wait a second. And that's it. If you get back to the menu, you can see that the language has been changed and now it is French. So that's all. This is how you change the language in your REALME C15, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.